5. Okay, everyone try to see my point. Jagdish sir, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now guys, if you see here, everyone, see, chapter 5 consists of 3 parts. Chapter 5 consists of, guys, what? See, this is what our chapter 5. Chapter 5 consists of 3 parts. First part is what? Simple impulse turbine. Second, Curtis or compound impulse turbine. And third one is what? Reaction turbine. These 3 things that we are going to study now. First of all, we will start with simple impulse turbine. Then we will go for the Curtis turbine. And then at the end, reaction turbine. Bodhi sir, are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you got the flow?
I got the flow.
Okay, good. Okay. So, chapter 5.1, simple impulse turbine. Chapter 5.1, simple impulse turbine. Okay, everyone, give the heading, chapter 5.1, simple impulse turbine. Okay. Now guys, how is the simple impulse turbine consist of? Guys, try to understand my point. See. Everyone try to see my point here. This discussion is quite important to us. Suppose this is what a nozzle. I am drawing a nozzle drawing. Okay, everyone. See how I am drawing the things, guys. Try to understand the concept here. This is what the nozzle of the simple impulse turbine. This is what, guys? Nozzle. Okay, here I am showing hatching lines. Okay, Bodhi sir.
Yes, sir.
This is what the nozzle of the simple impulse turbine. Through this nozzle, steam leaves the nozzle. What will do? Steam leaves the nozzle. Okay. With a velocity Ci. Steam leaves the nozzle with a velocity Ci. And here there is water. Guys, try to see the drawing. This is only a schematic drawing, guys. These are the moving blade row. This is what, Jagdish sir?
Moving blade.
Moving blade row. Body, sir. steam leaves the roser. What will do? Okay, so this is what our moving blade row. Okay, steam leaves the nozzle and strikes this moving blade row. Okay, are you getting my point, guys? What is it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. And due to that, see, actually this is what only schematic, guys. This moving blade row means what? Actually, these rows are on what? One rotor. Means actually, see, this is what our rotor, and on that rotor these are the blades like this. On this rotor these are the blades like this. Jagdish sir,
Yes, sir.
are you getting my point? This is the story, but for the simplicity what we are showing, we are showing as a
Moving blade.
okay moving blade row. Okay, anyone have any doubt in this one? Okay, please everyone complete this drawing. As a nice chapter, in this chapter we are going to learn a lot of things.
Okay.
Okay, everyone completed? Okay, good. Now guys, try to see the scenario, this discussion. Okay, see, this is what our nozzle. Guys, 1 minute, don't draw anything. Try to understand the point. Here blank. Everyone, please leave the 75% page blank. Bodhi sir, please leave this 75% page blank. Okay, good. Huh.
Okay.
Okay, please leave the 70 or one complete page. Everyone, please leave the one complete page blank. Huh? Suppose this is what our nozzle. Jagdisha sir.
After leaving one page, sir.
Yes, leave the complete one page blank, and after that start writing this one. Okay,
Okay.
don't do anything. Just try to understand my point. Or don't. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Don't do anything. Let me complete this drawing. See, this is what our nozzle. Jagdisha sir.
Yes, sir.
This is what our nozzle. See how the steam leaves the nozzle. Steam leaves the nozzle with a velocity Ci. What is that?
Yes.
Nozzle leaves the velocity.
Yes.
Steam leaves the nozzle with a velocity Ci. Okay. Now try to see my point here. Next point, everyone. This Ci angle, this angle is what we say. This angle is what? Jagdisha sir, this angle is what? Alpha I. This angle is what? Alpha I. If when steam leaves the nozzle, it enters. Guys, try to see my point. It enters the moving blade. Bro, what is it? When steam leaves the nozzle, this is what our moving blade. Okay. And this moving blade, everyone, 1 minute. Guys, today's discussion is little bit difficult, huh? Because from here, 1 minute, guys. Okay, Bodhi sir, try to see my point here, everyone. So this is what our blade. Jagdish sir, this is what our
Blade.
okay. So guys, this blade is moving with a velocity of u. This blade is moving with a velocity of what? What is it?
U.
U.
U. Okay, very good. This blade is moving with a velocity of u. Now suppose if we see, steam leaves the nozzle and enters into this blade. This is what our moving blade. This is what our moving blade. So steam leaves the nozzle and it enters the moving blade. Okay, guys. Now suppose, guys, try to see my point. Suppose if you assume blade as a stationary, means actually this blade is what moving, and when steam leaves the nozzle, it enters the moving blade and then means enter like this and then it goes out like this. See, it enters like this and then it goes like out this. Means suppose if you assume blade as a stationary, then what we assume, guys? If we assume this blade as a stationary, listen my points carefully. This discussion is quite important. Then if you assume blade as a stationary, Jagdisha sir,
Yes, sir.
then steam enters the blade at a velocity Cri. Okay. And steam leaves the blade at the velocity of CRO. Body, sir. Okay. Now what we assume? Guys, try to see my point. What we assume, okay, if you assume blade as a stationary, actually this blade is moving blade, huh? This blade is moving with a velocity of u. But suppose if you assume blade as a stationary body, sir, if you assume
Yes, sir.
blade as a stationary, then stream enters the blade with a CRI, and CRI means what? Relative velocity at inlet. Guys, don't worry. Have some patience for the today. Tomorrow you will get all the points. And this angle, we will say it as a beta I. Beta I means what? Blade angle at inlet. And then this mean by beta O, beta O. This is what, guys? Beta. Matthew sir, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Yes, very
Okay, good. Huh? This is what beta O. Okay, everyone, are you getting my point? CRI means what? Relative velocity at inlet. CRO means what? Relative velocity at outlet. Relative velocity means what, guys? Suppose actually this blade is moving, and if you assume blade is what? Stationary. What? If you assume blade as a stationary. Okay, guys, any doubt in this one?
Yeah.
Please, everyone, draw this both the drawings. Everyone, one by one, huh? Guys, one below the other. Must be one below the other.
In the same page only. No need to.
In this, no need to leave the pages, guys. On the same page, no need to leave the pages.
Okay.
No need to leave one page anymore.
No need to leave the one page.
Okay.
Do you write down what CI and CRI mean?
Oh, I will write down everything. Okay.
Okay.
I will write down. Okay. Everyone, first of all, draw this drawing. But one below the other, huh? Guys, see, means steam leaves here and enters this moving blade. Huh?
Is the blade inlet and the blade outlet the same angle?
No, Matthew sir, not same. Not same. Maybe same, may not be same. Huh? We will see that one. What is sir completed the drawing? Guys,
No.
this both the drawing must be one below the other. Huh? Means steam leaves here, steam leaves the nozzle and enters the moving blade. Huh? So this is a CR, guys, CRI and CRO, everyone. Bodhi sir, let me know when you completed your drawing.
Okay, I will.
I can.
Okay, good, good. Huh?
Completed.
Completed, very good. Guys, can you send me this drawing, everyone? Can you send me, Matthew sir, can you send me this drawing?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, everyone. Now, try to see my next point, guys, everyone. Everyone give the heading, combined velocity diagram. Everyone give the heading, combined velocity diagram. Okay, everyone give the heading and please leave the half page blank. And Bodhi sir, not you are in you have made a partition of the one page na, Bodhi sir.
Yes.
You made a partition of the one page na, means you have paid this side you are writing something, this side you are writing something. I need
Yes.
complete page half, means this is what, suppose this is what your complete page na. Suppose this is what your complete page. I
Okay.
want this page, this much portion blank of the complete page, Bodhi sir.
Okay.
Because, okay, are you getting my point? Complete page half.
I got
Okay.
it.
Okay, good. Now guys, try to see my point here. I'm going to draw combined velocity diagram. Everyone try to understand my point.
So after this going, excuse me, please. The first going now we should leave half page. I should leave half page or what? Or
If you, yes, you should leave half page. Of that your complete page, complete page of the half page.
okay.
Okay, Bodhi sir, okay. Now guys, try to see my point. See, Bodhi sir, try to see. I'm show you which diagram you have to draw up in
Sorry,
that point.
after I leave, that's when I'll start from this one. That's why we'll start this one.
Okay, correct. See, Bodhi sir, what you have to draw? You have to draw this drawing, Bodhi sir.
Yes.
You have to draw this drawing. So, and for this drawing, Means complete page is required, not that half portion. Body sir.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, I
Okay,
understand.
Okay. Now guys, start writing down from here. Okay. Leave the half page, everyone. Okay. And after the half page, okay, write down guys, let D is equal to mean blade dia in meter. Guys, see, capital D means what? Mean blade dia in meter. Capital N means what? Guys, don't write anything. Just listen my words carefully. Capital N means what? Speed of rotation of rotor in revolution per minute. So U means what? Mean blade velocity. What is the meaning of U?
Mean blade velocity.
Mean blade velocity, guys, or mean tangential velocity in meter per second. See, I have shown here U in this diagram, guys. I have shown U in this diagram. Okay, earlier. So U means what? Mean blade velocity. Or mean tangential velocity in meter per second, and U is equal to pi dn by 60. Okay, don't draw this drawing, guys. Start writing down these things after the half page.
Go up, sir.
Only up to you.
Okay.
Only up to you, not further. Okay, everyone completed up to you?
No.
Start writing down from D only, guys, huh? Everyone. And your notes must be in proper format, everyone.
It's up to you now.
Okay, good. Now, guys, then after that we have seen CI. After that, what we have seen? CI. CI means what, guys? See this drawing.
Inlet.
What is the meaning of CI? CI means
Inlet.
what? Nozzle exit velocity. What is meant by CI, guys? 1 minute. See. What is the meaning of CI, guys? Nozzle exit velocity. See, CI means what? Nozzle exit velocity. Nozzle exit velocity. Or guys, try to see my point. Don't write anything. Everyone, don't write anything. See, CI means what? Nozzle exit velocity means, and see, the steam leaves the nozzle with a velocity of CI and enters the moving blade. Guys, this CRI and CRO, these are the imaginary velocity. These are not actual velocity. See, whatever the velocity steam leaves the nozzle, the same velocity enters the moving blade. See, whatever may be the velocity of steam leaves the nozzle. See this drawing, guys. Whatever may be the velocity of steam leaves the nozzle, enters the moving blade with the same velocity. Jagdish sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, means whatever the velocity steam leaves the nozzle, with the same velocity enters the moving blade. Okay. Guys, are you getting my point? Means what? CI has a two meaning. CI means what? Nozzle exit velocity or absolute velocity of steam at blade inlet. Means CI leaves the nozzle and enters the moving blade. This CRI and CRO, these are the imaginary velocities. Guys, CRI and CRO, these are not actual velocity. This is imaginary velocities. But the velocity with which steam leaves the nozzle, with the same velocity it enters the moving blade. The velocity with which steam leaves the nozzle, with the same velocity it enters the moving blade. Okay guys, are you getting my point? Matthew sir?
Yes.
Okay, good. Very good guys. Okay. So that's why I said absolute velocity of steam at blade inlet means this is what our blade inlet means. Steam leaves here and enters here with a CI. This is a CRI is imaginary, but actually with which velocity it is entering here?
Yeah.
Actually it is entering here with the CI velocity. Okay. Guys, are you getting my point? Okay. So what is the meaning of CI? CI means what? Nozzle exit velocity or absolute velocity of steam at blade inlet in meter per second. Now what is meant by alpha I? See this alpha I. Alpha I means what? Nozzle exit angle. What is the meaning of alpha I, guys? Nozzle exit angle or angle between CI and U. Now guys, see this drawing. Here we have first of all what we have drawn? We have first of all drawn U. Okay, everyone? We have first of all drawn U. After U, this is what? CI. Okay, everyone? This is what we have drawn U. After that, then there is what? CI. Okay. 1 minute guys, I will show here. I will draw separately. So, everyone have some patience. Okay. So, this is what our, first of all guys, this is what our U. Okay. After U, then what we will draw? This is what our
Exit velocity.
CI. Body sir, this is what our, okay, this is what our CI. Okay, this is what our U, this is what our, so guys, this is what our U, this is what our CI. This angle is what guys?
Alpha.
Into what?
Alpha I. Okay, good. Are you getting my point guys? So okay, so what is the meaning of CI guys? What is the meaning of CI, Modi sir? Nozzle exit velocity. What is the meaning of CI? Nozzle exit velocity. Nozzle exit velocity or absolute velocity of steam. Absolute velocity of steam at blade inlet in meter per second. Okay guys, CI. Then alpha I is what guys? Try to see my point. Alpha is what? Nozzle exit angle. Alpha I is what? Nozzle exit angle or see here I have shown alpha I. Okay, and alpha I is what? Or angle between CI and UI. Okay, everyone write down these 2 points, CI and alpha I.
Okay, sir.
Okay, everyone completed?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Huh. Okay. Then after that, CRI. CRI means what? Relative velocity of steam at blade inlet. Blade inlet in meter per second. Guys, see this drawing. CRI means what? Relative velocity. CRI means what? Relative velocity at blade inlet. Jagdisha sir. Okay. Then beta O. Guys, this beta O is important. Huh? Blade angle at inlet.
That BI?
That outlet, no?
Beta,
Should
sorry.
be BI?
Yes, beta. This is what beta. Beta means what? Blade angle at inlet or angle between CRI and U. Okay, 1 minute guys. So if you see this drawing, on this drawing, how to show here? This is what our CRI, and if you draw dotted line from here guys, 1 minute, try to see the, don't draw anything. This angle is what? This is what our beta,
BI.
guys, beta I. Okay, everyone. So write down these 2 points, CRI and beta I. Okay, everyone completed?
Yes.
Okay, good. So guys, after that, guys, try to see my point. Then There is what? CWI. CWI. CWI means what? Whirl velocity at blade inlet. Whirl velocity at blade inlet in meter per second. Now guys, what is this whirl velocity? Try to see my point. Everyone, try to see my point. This discussion is quite important to us. Okay, see, if you draw the dotted line here from here, I draw dotted line. See this drawing. So this, everyone, try to see my point. This velocity, this from here to here. See this visible to you guys? Everyone? This visible to you everyone? This is what our CWI from here to here. Now what is meant by CWI? Guys, see this is what a CI. This CI has a two component. Guys, see, today's discussion you will not get a only 50% point you will understand. So don't worry, just have a patience. Bodhi sir, Jagdish sir.
Yes, sir.
For today's discussion, you will understand only 50% discussion, guys, nothing more. Only 50%. But on tomorrow's lecture, you will understand 100%, that I will assure you. So so keep patience, huh? Okay, so CWI. So CWI means what? Whirl velocity at inlet. Now guys, this CI has a two component. This is one component is what? CWI. And there is another component. This one. This component is what? CAI. CI means what? Axial velocity at blade inlet. What is the meaning of CI? Guys, see, this one is what?
Axial velocity.
Okay, so this is what our CI. CI means what? Axial velocity at blade inlet. Okay. Now see, guys, see, here I'm drawing. Okay, everyone. I'm drawing a simple drawing here. Everyone try to understand my point. So this is what our CI. Bodhi sir. Suppose this is what our CI. Okay, Bodhi sir. So CI has a two components. CI has what, guys?
Two components.
Two component. This angle is what? Alpha I. So this is what a CWI. And this is what a CAI. Okay, guys. Okay, good. Are you getting my point? So if you look here, guys, cos alpha I is equal to what? CWI upon CI. Okay. And then sin alpha I is equal to what, guys?
Opposite. CAI by C.
CAI by
C.
CI. So if you want to find out CWI, so CWI is equal to what, guys? CI
into cos alpha.
Cos of alpha I. Now then CAI means what, guys? Axial velocity at blade inlet in meter per second. This is also in meter per second. And if you look here, guys, if you see here, CAI is equal to CAI into sine of alpha I. Okay, Bodhi sir? CI sine of alpha I in meter per second. Okay, guys, are you getting my point, everyone? So first of all, draw this drawing, everyone.
And it's a right angle between CWI and CAI.
Yes. Matthew sir?
Right angle.
Yes. Draw this drawing, guys. Huh? Draw this drawing also. Start writing down from here. This drawing. Show this one. And then after that, start writing this. Whirl velocity at inlet. This is whirl velocity. This is the axial velocity. CWI, CAI, everyone. Okay, everyone completed? Jagdish sir, Bodhi sir?
Yes, completed.
Okay, good. Huh. Then after that, guys, CRO. Bodhi sir completed?
Yes.
Okay. Then after that, guys, CRO. CRO means what? See, I stand for inlet. Guys, I stand for inlet. O stand for outlet. So CRO means what? Relative velocity.
Applied
CRO
outlet.
means what? Relative
Velocity.
velocity at what?
Blade
Blade
outlet.
outlet. In meter per second. Okay. And after that, beta O means what? Blade angle at blade outlet. Okay. Guys, write down this point, everyone. Guys, don't worry. Have a patience for the today. Huh?
That blade angle at outlet or angle between CRO and U.
Yes. Huh. Or we can say angle between CRO and U. Okay. Write down this point also, everyone. Okay, Jagdish sir.
Okay.
What is sir completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now where we will show CRO on this drawing? We will show CRO like this on this drawing. Okay. This is what our CRO, and this angle, this is what our, what guys? CRO, and this angle is what? Beta O. Okay. After that, guys, see this is what? Relative velocity. This is what, guys? Relative velocity. Then after that, the last point is what? CO. Okay, this velocity is what, guys?
CO.
Okay, CO. This velocity is what? CO. This CO, guys, try to understand my point here, everyone. This CO has a two components. This CO has it what, guys? Two components. Everyone try to understand my point. Okay. This component is what?
Yeah.
This is what? CO has a two component. This component is what?
Actual
CAO.
velocity. Get out.
Okay. Axial velocity at blade outlet. And then, guys, this is what? This is another component. This is what?
World
CWO.
velocity outlet.
Work velocity at blade outlet. Very good, Matthew sir. What is sir? Are you getting my point? And this angle is what we will say? This angle is what? Alpha O. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, what is the meaning of CO?
Outlet.
What is the meaning of CO, guys? CO means what? Absolute velocity. See, if you look at this diagram, guys, we will feel that steam leaves with a velocity CRO. See, actually steam enters blade here with a velocity CI. See, whatever the velocity it leaves the nozzle, with the same velocity it enters here, and it leaves the blade with the velocity CO. Means CRO means relative. Means if you assume blade is stationary, then steam leaves the CRO. But actually blade is stationary? Not. Blade is not a stationary. So that's why steam leaves the nozzle with a velocity of CO. What is sir? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is meant by CO? Absolute velocity of steam at blade outlet. Okay. In meter per second. And then alpha O. Alpha O means what? Angle between CO and U. Only U, guys, not UO. Okay. Please write down this point, CO and alpha O. Everyone.
Should we make the drawing?
Yes, we will make the drawing also. Okay. First of all, write down these 2
Okay.
points, everyone.
Okay.
Okay, everyone completed? What is it?
No.
Huh. Now this CO, guys, everyone try to have a look here. Everyone. This CO has what, guys?
Outlet velocity.
CO has what? Two
Absolute
components.
velocity.
Okay. So guys, see, if you write down sine of or cos of alpha O, everyone, cos of alpha O is equal to what? CWO upon CO. And if you write down sine of alpha O is equal to what, guys? CAO by CO. Okay. Okay, guys, are you getting my point? So now what, everyone try to see my point. Now what is meant by CWO? CWO means what? Whirl velocity at blade outlet. And CWO is equal to what? CO cos of alpha O. Then what is meant by CAO? What is meant by CA? Guys, dekho, see, here we have seen here. CWI means what? Whirl velocity at blade inlet. CAI means axial velocity at blade inlet. Okay. So what is meant by CAO? Axial velocity at blade outlet CO into sine of alpha O. Okay, please everyone at these 2 points, CWO and CAO. So, no, start drawing. First of all, draw this drawing. Then write down these 2 points, and after that write down this one. Huh? This is what our whirl velocity at outlet, axial velocity at blade outlet, CWO and CAO. Okay, everyone completed this point? What is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Huh. So now guys, we have here, everything is there. Okay. Now guys, see, everyone, try to see my point. See the guys drawing, huh? Understanding of this drawing is quite important to us. Okay, see. So this is what, okay, I will use red pen for this one. This is what delta CA. This is what guys? Delta CA. Okay. And delta CA is equal to what? CAI minus CAO. Jagdish sir.
Yes, sir.
What is delta CA?
Delta CI minus CU.
CAI minus CAO. Okay guys, what is meant by delta CA? CAI minus CAO. Okay. And then what is meant by delta CA guys? Write down what is meant by delta CA. Change in axial velocity. Change in axial velocity in meter per second. What is meant by delta CA guys? Change in axial velocity in meter per second. Write down this point below the CAO. And that is what equal to delta CA is equal to what? CAI minus CAO. Okay, everyone? Huh. So guys, after that, write down delta CW. Delta CW is what? Change in whirl velocity. Change in whirl velocity in meter per second. Everyone write down delta CW is what? Change in whirl velocity in meter per second. CW guys. Huh? What is write down? Delta CW is what? Change in whirl velocity. Okay, everyone. So what is change in whirl velocity here, guys? See, try to see my point here, everyone. What is change in whirl velocity?
CW.
So here, this is what from here to here. What is change in whirl velocity here? Body sir? From here, change in whirl velocity is what? Delta CW, and delta CW is equal to what? CWI plus CWO. Guys, if you look here, guys, if you look at this here, see here, if you look here, delta CA is what? A difference. But why here it is positive? If you look here, guys, here it is a difference, CI minus CO, but here a plus here. Why is it like that? Guys, try to see my point. What is the direction of CWI? Direction of CWI, guys, what is C? I'm showing here, guys. Okay, see, CWI direction is what? This direction. And CWO direction is what? Direction of CWO is what? Opposite, Jagdish sir. And see, basically delta CW is a difference. CWI minus CWO. Body sir. Are you getting my point? So that's why delta CW for this scenario is what? CWI plus CWO. Okay, everyone is getting my point?
Okay.
Okay, good. Okay, here we add this point as the X, everyone. Here we add a simple one. Okay, we need this X. We don't need now, but we need this X while solving the numericals. Okay, this is the X. Okay, then everyone try to see my point. Next point. See, U is what? From where to where? U is, guys, from here to here. This is what our U. Body sir. Okay. This is what our U. And here we will assume this distance as the Y. Everyone try to see my point. From here to here. This as the this one as the Y. Okay. Now guys, if you see here, see the diagram. y sine of beta o, sorry, cos of beta o. Guys, have a look here. If you see, this is the case for here. Guys, try to see my point here. Y is equal to, guys, if you look at this diagram, see, this y is visible to everyone, Bodhi sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Y is equal to what? CRO cos of beta o. 1 minute, guys. Understanding of this drawing is important to us, guys. Huh? Okay. Huh. So, guys, if you see here, cos of beta o. Guys, if you see here, cos of beta o is equal to what? Cos of beta o is equal to what, guys?
Y by
Y by CRO. Y by what? CRO. So y is equal to what? CRO into cos of beta o. Body sir. And here, guys, see, if you observe here, this is the scenario of here. Here, this scenario is what here? Y is greater than u. This is the case of y is greater than u. Huh?
okay.
Okay, y is greater than u. Okay. So, guys, everyone, try to see my point. Okay. Start. Okay, now see, give this point here, y is greater than u. Guys, give this point here, y is greater than u, and start drawing this drawing. Give this point in that half page blank that I told you. Bodhi sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And beside that drawing, at these points here, guys, beside of that drawing, at these 2 points, here also these points. And after drawing, after writing all these things, see this all complete things, send me your photos, guys. Huh?
Yep.
I send the photos.
You have sent me the photo?
Yeah, I already sent.
Okay, good. 1 minute, let me check. Very good, Jagdisha sir. Your drawing is perfect.
Okay.
Matthew sir, your drawing also perfect.
Thank you.
Good. Okay. Now that's guys good point. You are all of you are good in drawing. What is sir completed?
Almost, please.
Okay, Bodhi sir, your diagram is also okay.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Now this is the scenario where we have seen This is the scenario where delta CW is equal to CWI plus CWO. Okay, everyone, are you getting my point? Now we will see the next scenario. See, where we will see the next scenario. Here, instead of Y, U is greater than Y. Or I can say Y is less than U. Okay, try to see my point here. Try to see this scenario, guys. Bodhi sir, you have 10 minutes now.
Yes.
Yes, you have 10 minutes now. Okay. Huh. So guys, try to see my point here, everyone. Suppose this is velocity U. Okay. This is what velocity U. This is what is this? This is velocity U. Okay. Then, guys, what is this?
CI.
CI. This angle is what? Alpha I.
Alpha. Yeah.
Okay. After that, guys, what is this?
CRI.
CRI.
This is what?
CRI.
CRI. Very good. Then dotted line from here, everyone. Try to see the concept, guys. Huh? Understanding the concepts are very, very important.
Yeah.
This dotted vertical line. Okay. This angle is what? How much?
CI.
Beta I.
Beta.
Beta I. Okay, good. Huh. Then guys, this is what? From here to here. 1 minute. Let me draw. This is what? This is meant by what?
CI.
CAI. Then again, I'm showing here dotted line here. Everyone try to see my point. Okay. Bodhi sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then from here to here.
CWI.
This is what?
CW. Delta CW.
CWI.
Oh, yeah, CWI.
This is a CWI. Okay. After that, guys, try to see my point here, everyone. Then, guys, what I told you here, guys, try to see the next point here, everyone. This discussion is quite important to us. Now here CRO is little bit a smaller value. It will get finished here only. Okay. This is what our Jagdish sir.
CRO.
This is what CRO. This angle is what? Beta O. So where CRO finished, then there will be what?
CO.
CO. Guys, try to see the concept here. Okay. This CO. This is what our CO. Okay. Now in this scenario, guys, try to see my point. This dotted line from here. I'm going to draw one dotted line from here. Okay. In this scenario, guys, this is what our alpha O. Okay. Bodhi sir. This is what our alpha O, everyone. Then from here to here, this is what our CWO. If you see the previous diagram, in previous diagram, CO is like this, okay, like this. But in this diagram, how is the CO? CO is the like this, guys, in this way, okay. And See here, everyone try to see my point. This CO has a two components. This component is what? CaO. Okay. Now guys, are you getting my point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now guys, here see, here. This is what our, guys, this is what our, from here to here, I'm showing by black pen. From here to here, this is what our Y. From here to here, this is what our Y. And then this is what our
X.
X. Okay guys, are you getting my point? Okay, this is Y and X. Okay, everyone, are you getting my point? As usual, see here. Okay, try to see my point here, everyone. Here, if you look here, guys, see what is U?
Greater than 1.
Okay, this is from here to here. This complete is what our U, guys. This complete is what our U. Bodhi sir.
Yes, sir.
This complete is what our U. And here U is greater than Y. See, in this scenario, from here to here, this is what our delta CA. And delta CA as usual, CAI minus CAO. Okay, but the difference here is what? Guys, what is the difference here? Here, see, here
CW.
delta CW. See, here guys, try to see my point here, everyone. Here delta CW is what? From here to here. Matthew sir. See, this is what our, in this scenario, this is what our delta CW. Okay, 1 minute guys. This is what our delta CW. And in this scenario, delta CW is what? CWI minus, for this scenario, delta CW is what? CWI minus CWO. Okay. Everyone try to understand my point. Here Y is what? Guys, try to have a look at this diagram. Here, try to understand my point. This discussion, cos of beta O. Cos of beta O is equal to what, guys? Y by CRO. So Y is equal to CRO cos of beta O. Any doubt in this discussion? Jagdisha sir?
No, sir.
You got this scenario?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, then another scenario. If you look here, guys, what is the direction of, guys, C? CWI. What is the direction of CWI? Direction of CWI is, guys, in this way. Okay. Then direction of CWO also what, guys, in the same direction? Direction of CW also is one in the same direction. And that's why delta CW is equal to what, guys? CWI minus CWO.
Sir, the arrow, how you come to know that arrow? Okay, sir.
Jagdish sir,
Sir. So that the direction how you come, how you come it, you know?
see this point here. How we come to know about direction? Okay.
Yeah.
See. Means this is what our Jagdish sir. This is what our suppose CI.
Okay.
1 minute. 1 minute. This is what our CI.
Okay.
Okay. So component of the CI is like this.
Yeah.
This is one
Yeah,
component
okay.
of the CI.
Yeah, okay, sir.
And this is what another component. So whenever
Okay.
there is component is always like this.
Okay, sir.
This is a CI, this is a CAI, this is a CAO. And
Okay.
here guys, see, if you see here, Jagdish sir, CO also in the same way. Jagdish sir, CO is also in the what?
Same, okay.
Same way. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is what CAO and this is what here I have CWI and here CWO. See the direction.
Okay,
Jagdish
okay,
sir.
fine. Yeah, okay.
Alpha I and alpha O. Okay,
Okay.
everyone got my point? Guys, I will send you photo of this everything.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can draw this one.
Yeah.
Okay, and guys, I will send you, Bodhi sir, I will send you photo of these drawings to you.
Okay, I will appreciate because I need to go
But
now.
if you have a time, you can complete here also.
No, I have to go now.
Okay, you can go. Matthew sir, if you have a time, please complete this drawing here itself.
Yes, I would. Thank you.